Well, it was a great day for baseball.
Yeah, it was. Gray skies out there, but it was nice and cool to
It was.
play
It was
baseball,
comfortable.
too.
You don't want it to be too hot at the field.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it was perfect weather out there today, and the weekend is looking really good. We just have to deal with a little bit of rain first, so it's not going to ruin the weekend. Don't be scared off by the rain because it's not going to be ruining the weekend.
I'm not scared yet, but I'll wait to hear what you have to say in the
All
next
right.
2 minutes.
Let's take a look outside. There's nothing to worry about right now. Looking live over Camden Yards. The place emptied out pretty quickly. Yes, everybody heading home this evening, but we do have some rain on the way, so maybe they've heard the forecast. Temperatures right now, though, comfortable, and we are not seeing the rain yet. It is 69 degrees at the Inner Harbor right now. A nice light southeasterly wind, and the dew point is at 59, so our temperature is going to fall. Our dew point is going to start to rise here shortly, and we are going to see the two come together, and when that happens, rain showers. So they are moving in here in the next few hours. We are going to be dealing with rain overnight tonight, but it's not going to last the whole weekend. The weekend not a washout by any means. In fact, we're going to have a very fall-like weekend, which means sunny conditions, cooler temperatures. It's actually going to be pretty chilly. We may see some spots this weekend drop down into the 30s. So pull out those winter jackets. It is going to be cool during those overnights, but warmer weather returns next week. So back into those 70s by the middle of next week. So we're not completely into that cold weather yet. We're going to still see that variation here over the next 7 days. Let's take a look at the future scan, see what's going to happen here tonight, because we do have that cold front pushing through. It caused flooding. It caused very severe weather back to our west. Here in Maryland, just some showers, so just some wet weather overnight tonight. We'll see spotty showers starting, I'd say, around 8 p.m. Our future scan agrees. We are going to see those start to pop up around the area this evening and then continue overnight tonight. So we're not talking about widespread heavy rain, but rather scattered showers here, and they'll continue into early tomorrow morning. And the time it ends is kind of variable. I'd say anytime between about 5 and 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. We'll be watching for that rain to end and then clearing skies by about mid-morning. And then take a look. The rest of the weekend actually looking really good. Lots of sunshine, clear weather, cooler weather once that front passes. There's a lot of cool air behind it. So we are going to see very dry conditions and very chilly conditions through the end of the weekend. Here's what those temperatures are going to do. Watch. This is tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. We're starting off mild, 60s and even low 70s around the area, and we're really not going to change too much as the day goes on. We stay around 70 in the afternoon downtown, 60s north and west of town. But here's when things change. Watch these temperatures. Overnight tomorrow night, early Sunday morning, down into the mid 40s downtown, low to mid 40s north and east of town, upper 30s north and west of town. So major cool down happening Saturday night, and we're going to see the same story on Sunday night as well. Tonight, though, not that bad. 60 degrees, scattered showers through the overnight, and then clearing by tomorrow about mid-morning, 69 for the afternoon high. I'll talk about that 7-day forecast, including when we get back into the 70s. That's coming up in a bit.